Hello, my name is Tom, and I'm honored to stand here today as a candidate for the Cultural Ambassador of the AEES USA. I currently serve as the president of the AEES USA Youth Junction Art School chapter. In this role, I work closely with students, teachers, and volunteers to organize music and cultural activities that inspire young people to appreciate the beauty of singing, artistic expression, and cultural heritage. My responsibility is not only to help coordinate performances and events, but also to encourage youth participation and build stronger connections through music. At the same time, I actively participate in volunteering services and community outreach activities alongside with my fellow students and classmates. Whether through performances or service projects, I believe true impact comes from working together and using our talents to give back to the community. Through these experiences, I've developed leadership, communication skills, and a strong sense of responsibility. I am not only learning how to grow as a young artist, but also how to serve others as a young leader. If selected as a cultural ambassador, I hope to continue being a bridge connecting music with people, culture, and more with the future, and inspiring more young individuals to use their voices for a positive impact. I believe every voice matters, and together we can create harmony and shine even brighter. And finally, please welcome Zhang Chen, also my mom, to perform the classic song Boundless Oceans, Vast Skies. Please give her a big round of applause.